Are you curious about Vidme.io? The platform that's calling itself the next generation creator-powered media network where communities grow stronger, content spreads faster, and audiences supposedly play an active role in shaping the future of media? At first glance, it sounds exciting, especially in an age where creators are always looking for alternatives to YouTube, Twitch, and other established platforms, but when you really start to peel back the layers, the picture looks far less innovative and a lot more questionable. The very first concern is transparency. The domain for vidme.io was only registered in April 2025, and the ownership details are completely hidden, which is never a good sign for a company asking people to invest their money. Digging deeper, it's linked to Mike Popovich, who has a long history with Amway Promotion and other MLM-style projects that didn't work out in the past, raising doubts about whether this is just another repackaged version of an old playbook. Instead of offering genuine value through tools for creators or unique streaming options that could actually rival the big players, Vidme runs on a $34.99 monthly promoter membership, and that's essentially the only product. For comparison, you can subscribe to Netflix, Hulu, or even YouTube Premium for far less and get access to actual entertainment and services used by millions. Here, you're paying for the right to recruit others, not for any tangible benefits. And that brings us to the compensation structure. It's recruitment-driven, not product-driven. That means members are encouraged to sign up new promoters and earn commissions, rather than make money by sharing content or building an audience. This is a classic MLM-style setup, and the problem with it is sustainability. If the focus is on endlessly recruiting rather than selling something of real value, the whole system eventually collapses when new people stop joining. Another issue is the lack of user base and credibility. For a platform that claims to be the future of creator media, Vidme has very few users, very little traffic, and almost no buzz outside of its own promotional circles. With no established community, no visible leadership, and no clear roadmap on how it will compete with billion-dollar streaming platforms, it's hard to see how this could realistically deliver on its promises. Yes, the idea of empowering creators sounds good on paper, but when you look at the fine print hidden ownership, MLM history, overpriced membership fees, and no real retail product, it's difficult to view Vidme as anything more than a high-risk gamble. In the end, it doesn't come across as purely positive or purely negative, but it's clear that this isn't the groundbreaking platform it wants you to believe it is, and anyone considering joining should think carefully before handing over their money.